Hey, is this John?
Yeah, who's this?
Hi, John. This is Sam, one of the managers over at Freedom Credit. I'm here to help you with anything credit related, whether it's boosting your score, fixing errors on your report, or just getting some credit tips. What's been on your mind lately when it comes to your credit?
Yeah, so I saw you guys online and I noticed you guys specialize in helping improve credit by removing late payments as well as bad debt. And I have a few of those that's been holding my credit down and trying to buy a house here. So it's kind of an urgent thing and I need some professional help.
Thanks for sharing that, John. I totally understand how stressful that can be, especially when you're trying to buy a house. The good news is, we specialize in exactly those kinds of issues. We can help you dispute errors, negotiate with creditors, and develop a strategy to improve your credit. What would you say is the most pressing issue you'd like us to tackle first? Is it the
Uh,
late payments or the bad debt?
Honestly, it's whatever is going to help my credit score improve the fastest. So I need, your professional guidance on that to try to help me.
Got it, John. We can definitely prioritize the actions that'll give your credit score the biggest boost in the shortest time. Typically, addressing any inaccuracies and negotiating removals of negative items can have a significant impact. How about we start with a thorough review of your credit report to pinpoint the areas affecting your score the most? From there, we can develop a personalized action plan. How does that sound?
Sounds good. Typically, how long does it take to start seeing results when you guys start working on our file?
Great question, John. Results can vary depending on your specific situation, but typically, people start seeing progress within the first 30 to 45 days. Some items, like errors or inaccuracies, can be addressed relatively quickly, while other things, like negotiating with creditors, might take a bit longer. The important thing is that once we start, you'll have a clear plan and regular updates on the progress we're making. Does that timeline work with your home buying goals?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. How high does the score usually improve? I mean, how much does it improve typically in 30 to 45 days on average from kind of what you guys are seeing on other clients?
Great question, John. The amount your score improves in that time frame really depends on your starting point and the items we're addressing. For example, if we're removing errors or getting negative items resolved, some clients see jumps around 50 to 100 points in that first phase. Others may see more gradual increases if we're working on deeper issues like collections or building good credit habits. But don't worry, we'll focus on maximizing your score improvement as quickly as possible with your home buying goal in mind. Does that sound like the kind of help you're looking for?
Yeah, that actually sounds great. I've never actually hired a company to help my credit, and I'm finally ready to do so. So I'm pretty excited to see what you guys can do.
That's awesome to hear, John. I'm really glad you're ready to take this step. It's a big move, and we're here to make sure you see the results you need. It's exciting that you're motivated, especially with a big goal like buying a home. Let's get this ball rolling. How about we set up a time to dive into your credit report together and create that personalized game plan? What day and time works best for you?
Yeah, so typically after 5 p.m., after I finish work would be probably best.
Got it. After 5 p.m. it is. How about we aim for tomorrow at 5:30 p.m.? If that works for you, I'll send over a calendar invite to confirm. If that time doesn't work, we can find another slot that fits your schedule. What do you think?
5:30 might be a little bit quick. How about because I just need to settle down and get the kids kind of situated. Do you have anything for around like 6:30?
Absolutely, John. 6:30 p.m. works perfectly. I'll send you a calendar invite for that time. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to helping you take those next steps toward your new home.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, John. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great rest of your day and talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Goodbye for now.